A spot Bitcoin ETF could launch as soon as next Wednesday. This is according to Blackrock themselves, one of the people that actually applied to launch their own spot Bitcoin ETF. This is being reported right now by Fox News, and it has been the latest hype in this cryptocurrency market space that has driven the prices of crypto up so much over the last year. We have seen some incredible gains in not only the crypto assets themselves, but in crypto-related stocks like MicroStrategies from Michael Saylor and Coinbase. And there's a variety of people speculating on this asset class right now. We're going to talk about this story coming out about the launch of the spot Bitcoin ETF, what the impact might have on the market, and also a prediction for a 40% crash on Bitcoin. Is this something that is possible? We got to talk about it, guys. Welcome back, guys. This is the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. I want to get into this for you guys right away. If you like the content, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's take a peek. So Bitcoin today is at $43,800. We were broaching the $44,000 price level earlier in a pretty nice way, because there is, again, a lot of excitement, hype leading up to this Bitcoin halving that's on schedule here for March of 2024 here, and the launch of the first ever spot Bitcoin ETF, which could bring billions, if not trillions of dollars of institutional money flowing into Bitcoin and the rest of the broader market. The rest of the market's kind of trading flat today, which is very, very interesting. But this is the big story, guys. Just in, Blackrock has said it out loud. They're expecting their spot Bitcoin ETF to be approved on Wednesday, which is January 10th. Alongside some of these other key deadlines that are hitting for the spot Bitcoin ETFs that have been proposed as of late. I believe that ARK Invest's deadline is officially on the 10th. BlackRock's technical deadline isn't actually until March, but a lot of people have been speculating that once the first ETF gets approved, likely all of them will come kind of at once, and there could potentially at that point be a huge inflow of money into the space, and we could see this thing pump really into the lands of up and beyond. It is something that we've seen typically in these crypto cycles. We see massive moves coming around halving events, but now institutions getting in their hand in the pot, it could potentially be huge. What it also could be, though, is a 40% correction that we've been talking about on this channel as well. There's a new crypto leader that came out, Arthur Hayes, the co-founder of BitMEX. Not a new leader, but a leader that's newly speaking out about Bitcoin and his price prediction, saying, hey, there could be a 20 to 40% Bitcoin correction in March. Well, guys, let me just remind you, Bitcoin just had a 10% correction overnight. And so is this possible? You have to know this. If you're watching this channel and you guys are in this crypto market, you have to be aware that a 20 to 40% collapse on Bitcoin is certainly possible, even if a spot Bitcoin ETF comes. Some could actually say, especially if a spot Bitcoin ETF comes. Because that makes more manipulation in the market, bigger players, bigger manipulation, people really trying to wreck any of the retail traders that have been trying to buy up leading into this moment, or even more so, the retail traders that come in after the fact that the spot Bitcoin ETF is launched. They're going to be trying to make some gains and make some moves likely, and that's why a lot of people are expecting a sell the news event. But despite a sell the news event on the spot Bitcoin ETF, is a 20 to 40% retracement possible for Bitcoin? Well, yes, guys. Just look at the history of Bitcoin. You're looking at a couple bull cycles here. And let's just look back. Here's 2011. And you'll see we had a bull cycle, kind of came into a bear market, and then we boosted up, and it came right back down. And then it boosted up again, and it came down. And then it boosted up. This happens repeatedly. We see so many ebbs and flows, up, down, up, down, up, down. These look like small moves, guys, but these are, in reality, these are 10, 20, 50% retracements. Look at the one back all the way in 2019. Obviously, with the pandemic that came out, there was a huge move up leading into this bull market. And then we had a pandemic scare. We came back down, and then we went into a full-fledged bull cycle. We went up to $69,000, came back down to basically $30,000 at the low, and then back up to $69,000 again. Absolutely incredible volatility in this asset class, guys. That's just the nature of Bitcoin and crypto, even if this BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF is approved, there's still going to be some crazy things go on. A lot of volatility. A lot of people have been talking about some crypto cons and scams lately. There's a new documentary that came out, BitCon, recently, and this is a very ill-informed and poorly written article by The Hill that I want to share with you guys, where this guy actually, in this entire article, all he talks about is they have no intrinsic value, offer little to no transparency, and anyone, priest or felon, can issue, operate, or manage them. Well, anyone can issue, operate, or manage them, but you don't have to buy the ones and the things that you don't believe in. You have to do your own research, guys, and you have to buy projects that actually offer value, right? Meme tokens don't, except for the meme token community aspect of it. It's a bet, really, is what a meme token is, and then sometimes utility comes afterwards. That's the world of cryptocurrency. There's some truth to that. But some cryptocurrencies absolutely have intrinsic value. Intrinsic value within the own platform, within the cryptocurrency space, within this new technology class that a lot of people believe in. So many people, in fact, that you have major politicians like Vivek Ramaswamy talking about it. You have everybody talking about it. The media can't get enough of Bitcoin. Here's a new article today that I want to share with you guys as well. Someone sent $1.2 million worth of Bitcoin to the Genesis wallet mined by Satoshi Nakamoto, the founder, creator, anonymous person or persons that created Bitcoin to their wallet. This is essentially either a burned amount of money or this is Satoshi himself buying money on Binance and then sending it to his own wallet. Likely, it's the former, not the latter. But everybody wants to talk about Bitcoin and crypto right now. These opinion articles that are trying to say it's got no intrinsic value and that it's just all a con, that's ill-informed, that is not the way of the future here. You see a spot Bitcoin ETF from Blackrock, the largest asset manager on planet Earth, could be approved as soon as Wednesday, guys. That would be an absolutely spectacular event that could really make waves in the entire crypto market. As for the price action of Bitcoin right now, what we're seeing a move back up. People are getting ready for this event. People are looking probably at this all-time high at about, or not all-time high, the yearly high at about $45,900, almost $46,000 for Bitcoin. And I bet you people that are waiting on this ETF to be approved are looking at that as a breakout point target. There's going to be a lot of volatility around this, guys. So if you're a trader, please be careful, guys. But do know this. The largest asset manager in the world is likely going to get a spot Bitcoin ETF approved. Is it going to happen this Wednesday? It could happen this Wednesday. If it doesn't, is that going to change the possibility of the spot Bitcoin ETF being approved in general? I don't really think so. I think that Gary Gensler is going to postpone this deadline for as long as he can. The first deadline, in quotes, is technically this Wednesday, really for ARK Invest. But if they're going to approve one, the thought is they could approve many at the same time. That's the update for you guys today. Just kind of wanted to check in with you guys, give you some of the latest news on the day for Bitcoin. For crypto overall, the key is this, guys. If you're holding on to altcoins and you're wondering what's going on with Bitcoin and you're wondering if this ETF is going to be approved and if it goes down, what's going to happen? If it goes up, what's going to happen? I'll tell you this. If Bitcoin goes up, altcoins can go up. If Bitcoin goes down, altcoins are going to have a retracement, guys. That's the warning I have for you, so just be aware of it. But in general, we're looking at a bull market year, possibly one of the biggest years ever for crypto, given we might have institutional money coming in through these ETFs, and we have a lot of people getting ready, more so than ever before, for this bull cycle. Could be epic, guys. That's all I got on this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and as always, guys, don't forget to DCA, HODL, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. I got 2 videos for you right here. If you want to check them out, see you next time. Peace.